My vision for Up and Running Podiatry is to represent high performance, not only in the way our podiatry and admin team operate, but also elevating the public image of our profession. Podiatry is often underestimated. The reality is chronic foot pain can be debilitating and have a far-reaching impact on someone's life beyond just their feet. And unless you've lived with pain that's limited your ability to walk, run, play sport, play with your kids down at the park, it's difficult to really appreciate just how much value podiatry can bring. The vast majority of people that attend our clinic have been dealing with pain for a long time. It has gone to a point where it's really impacting their life. Our approach is work with them on their goals, make sure that we give them the time and attention that they deserve. We approach our treatment in the same manner, no matter what your goal is. Our facilities and equipment are set up to make sure that we can conduct the thoroughness of assessment that's required for that, but also the expertise in having lived through injuries ourselves and having played various sports. We really understand what our clients are going through.
We all come from different activity or sporting backgrounds. We all understand what it's like to get an injury and how that affects your passion for activity and fitness. I think that common understanding, we've got a high level of support and we can bounce ideas and cases off one another, which is really, really helpful to have that environment. I love it when patients come in with some sort of injury that's impacting them, and they get me to help them on their journey back to full recovery. It's super rewarding. That's what I love. In addition to that, it's being part of an awesome team. Yeah, that's what brings me into work every day.
We're passionate about what we do as a team and as individuals, and I think that's the key. So our culture is supportive, positive, and team focused. Everyone here is encouraged to grow, learn, and do their best, knowing they're backed by a supportive team, and our patients feel that as well from the moment they walk in the door and they're greeted by reception through to their consult with podiatrists to the end of their appointment.
I think if you've ever had a problem with your foot, you'll realise it actually affects every moment of every single day that you have just about. So when you're treating people's foot injury, you're really making their day-to-day life significantly easier. And that can have, a small effect on that, having a little bit of discomfort versus someone who literally can't walk and restoring them to full activity. That's a pretty significant effect that you're having on someone's life. I like to have this thought process that we're all athletes, we just have different events. And so if your event is needing to walk down the street to do your own shopping because you don't want someone else to do it for you, then that's the event we're preparing you for. If it's that you do the triple jump at the Olympics, then we need to prepare you to be able to do that. So it's always a needs analysis, and everyone gets treated the exact same with the same level of genuine care, but we're just preparing them for the event that they have.
Hi, my name is Pam and I have been a patient here at Up and Running Podiatry for the past 10 odd years. I feel here that they genuinely care for you. The facilities here at Up and Running Podiatry are amazing. After a session here with one of the podiatrists, you leave here with a really good care plan and you know that you've been looked after.
Most of the feedback we get from our patients is more around the thoroughness and the genuine care, the follow-up that we have with our management plans, is making sure that they feel supported throughout their treatment journey. Step one for us is to make sure that you feel like you belong and you're in the right place.